You want respect, and every man does. But if you're honest with yourself, you haven't really earned it. You feel ignored, you talk and nobody listens, you try to lead and people laugh, you walk into a room and feel like a ghost. And here is the cold truth. Respect is not given. It's extracted through force of presence. This episode will show you why people stopped taking you seriously and how to rise so dangerously that they have no choice but to notice you, bro. So we will start with the first part, which is the silent respect killers. Number 1, being too nice. If you think being liked is equivalent to being respected, then you are wrong. Nice guys don't finish last because they are kind. They finish last because they are spineless. You avoid confrontation, you smile when you are disrespected, you allow others to cross boundaries, and then wonder why they don't take you seriously. Number 2, inconsistency. You show up hard for 1 week, then disappear for 3 weeks. Respect demands consistency. Every time you quit, you weaken your name. You become unreliable, forgettable, and replaceable. Number 3, approval addiction. You are chasing validation, texting people fast, double texting, hoping someone invites you in. Men who crave attention rarely command it. Number 4, no standards. You let people waste your time. You tolerate bad company. You have no code. And if a man has no code, he has no weight. Now we move to the second part, which is the masculine self-destruction. Number 1, weak mind. You get offended easily, triggered, always emotional. Respect doesn't live in the territory of boys who can't control their mind. Number 2, porn, addiction, and escapism. You think no one sees it, but every time you indulge in pleasure without purpose, you shrink. You become a man who hides from pressure instead of facing it. No respect exists in a man who can't conquer himself. Number 3, comfort over conquest. Most men choose comfort over chaos, Netflix over grind, sleep over purpose. Discipline isn't just how you get fit, it's how you build gravity. Men who are respected, they carry weight. Their words matter because their life has a cost. We now move to the third part, which is how to rebuild respect. Number 1, say no and mean it. A man who can't say no is a servant to everyone else's agenda. Start saying no to things that drain you, people who waste you, habits that kill your power. Number 2, lead through action. Men talk less, but move more. Real respect is built when your life does the talking. Silence with execution is more powerful than 1,000 motivational speech. Number 3, build your body. It's not about the muscles. It's about command. Your posture, your eye contact, your presence. Build a frame that tells the room, I don't beg, I belong here. Number 4, make pain your trainer. The pain you are avoiding now is the price you need to pay to be respected. Get up early, bro. Go train. Cut the distractions. Say no to cheap dopamine. Number 5, develop a masculine aura. You walk slow. Speak with calm power. Smile like a lion, not a puppy. Enter rooms without seeking attention, but dominate the energy through posture, stillness, and certainty. We now move to the fourth and final part, which is why people stopped respecting you. She stopped respecting you because you lost control of yourself. Your boys clown you because you allow it. You joke like a boy but want to be treated like a man. Your workplace ignores you because you never planted a flag. You've blended in for so long that no one even remembers your name. Now here is the truth. You don't get respect from begging for it. You get it from becoming undeniable. You walk different. You live different. And eventually, they treat you different. Not because they are kind, but because you've made it impossible to ignore your power. So, here is the rise of the respected man. You are not soft. You are just untrained. But that ends today. You don't need approval. You need purpose. You don't need applause. You need self-respect. Because when a man respects himself, He becomes a threat in every room, not by yelling, but by standing still and being felt. This is men's inner power. This is the brotherhood. No more begging. No more hiding. We reclaim what was stolen. Respect begins with you. Welcome back, King.